Hi guys, Pickbeard here, and tonight for you I'm going to try and pick this Belfry 4-lever padlock. If I just try and put a little bit more, there we go. Here's the key for the padlock. It's another one with quite a heavy spring on the shackle. There it goes back. Lovely little designs on the key there. Anyway, quick story. I was practicing with my AndyMac kit that one of the kits that I have, and managed to break the tensioning device. So I quickly, that's a load of rubbish. I spent the rest of the day trying to make something similar. It's similar, but it ain't the same. I took a blank, filed it down, obviously filed it down too much. He did one against that, and I came up with a tool. It works of a fashion, but it is not, and I state it is not the same as the real thing. Anyway, let's see if I can get this thing picked. I did try, another disclaimer, I did try about 10 minutes ago to do this and failed dramatically, and deleted the videos purely because I had the wrong size flipping pick wire in there. It was too long. Anyway, so lots of lessons learnt today with this. So anyway, loads of movement, which is good. Tension on, and let's get this thing hopefully picked. I just had a quick go. I managed to do it in hand. I can't do a decent video in hand though, just due to my setup, so I will try and do an average one on camera. We'll see how we go. Anyway, if you want any decent tools, I would suggest going to Andy first of all. He's more than willing to help people out with knowledge and tips on how to do stuff. But I do find, well, in my instance, a dimly lit shed with one file and a hacksaw isn't as good as getting it from the man himself. Anyway, I think we're getting somewhere. Got a little bit of movement on the levers. So I need a lot more practice on these things to get anywhere near as proficient as I would like to be. But we'll get there. We'll get there. Just try and block out a bit more light so you can't see me fumbling around too much. I do know when this goes, it's only a little turn on the tensioner, and then you've got to be brave and just try and open it. Not getting much at the moment, so let's try again. It's all the way in. It's all the way in. Yeah, that's better. I think the pick wire with this tensioner was just slipping inside it. And that deep groove in the key. There we go. Yeah. The deep groove in the key, I think I was probably... Oh no, I didn't. Oh yes I did. Thank God for that. Yeah, I did get it open. think with the deep groove in the key though, I was sort of riding along inside there a lot of the time with the pick wire, so it was sitting a bit too deep. Anyway, there it's open. Thank God for that. I'm not going to... There you go, locked up. I'm not going to have another go, because I don't want to waste anyone else's time. Anyway, hopping back to it. You want decent tools, go and see AndyMac. You want something that might not work, make it yourself, but I'd always go with the first option. Thanks for watching, guys. Pickbeard out.